some shoes on.
This is your winter survival.
Okay, let's make this happen. You ready? What are we gonna do? What's the plan?
Go build a fire in the snow.
Go build a fire in the snow. That's right.
And
How are we gonna start the fire?
with a gum wrapper.
With a gum wrapper, hopefully.
For me.
Go-
You and me, but Dad, we've been out of...
You guys did great. Hey, come throw it in the back here. You got it, buddy. You got it. Okay, throw it on top there. Good job. You throw it up there, Rye? Oh, he's too short. Oh, got it. Good job, buddy. Okay, shut her up. That'll keep her dry. All right, let's jump in the truck.
Kind of wet.
Jump on in there. It's kind of wet, yep.
Wet for us.
Should we bring a lighter as backup?
Yeah.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case we fail miserably.
Yeah.
Good call.
You think we should have some cookies?
Yeah, throw them in there. Oh, throw it onto the ground. Yep, just drop it. Just drop it. Yep, don't throw it, just drop it. Mace, you back up here, buddy. Very good. Yeah, you're doing great. What you need?
Hello, I am the camera. We attack you.
You're doing great.
Oh, I am done.
You're all done?
No,
Who's all got all that wood? Who's gonna get all that wood out?
and you will.
Okay, you guys point the camera. Here, point the camera
Point the crown.
at me.
Hello, Daddy.
Okay, let's get all that wood out.
Daddy, are you sure you can do this? Daddy.
Okay, that's all of it. And then our food. Let's get our food. Let's put the food up here. Okay, Mason, what do you say? Yeah, please. Hey, now you get some chips. There you go. Should we open them for you? Oh, that's so cute. Say it again. You say please? Oh, he doesn't want to. Ah! Oh! Mace, what are you doing? Oh, Mace, you got my knife. Oh, boy. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to cut this off, guys. All right, take that, and we're going to put all of our stuff onto it. Collected all of this and shaved off some, right? So we're going to put it right on top, just like that. We're going to grab a bunch more. Okay, so we're trying to start a fire with a gum wrapper, but it's just not working. Either there's not enough juice there, or that's not conductive, or it's too conductive so it doesn't build up enough heat. One of the two. Maybe we'll figure it out later and put it as part of this video when we actually do it. When it's not raining outside and crazy. Backup lighter! Use the backup lighter! That's a good idea.
I put that let the sunlight.
Dry it out a little bit. Good, buddy. Oh, don't throw it on it.
Where do I put this?
You know, I think we're gonna need some more of that cardboard box if we're gonna get this going.
We gave it shelter and it melted.
Yeah, with all this rain out here, we think it was hard to start to get going. So we put that box over it just kind of high for a second. and the lower flame started getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and those wood actually started burning. I think we started getting that reaction that we needed. Now we got that box burning. Now it's nasty, but hey, fire's going. Okay, now we just need to find some way to cook our food, huh?
The bottle.
Oh, need some chips. Okay, should we carve this out, guys? Okay, let's carve this and we can go start cooking a hot dog. All right. Okay. You got a lighter, Mace? That's cool. Okay, we're gonna... You guys ready to go cook a hot dog? Okay, Riley, you need some chips? Okay, I'm gonna put some here for Mason. Here you go, Mace. And I'm gonna scoop some over here for Jack. The rest is yours. Okay, Jack, how do we cook hot dogs?
By the coals, which I can get the coals.
No, you put them in the flame. Hot dogs in the flame, marshmallows can go in the coals. You got a what?
Go potty.
Okay, you need to hold it. Yeah, that's about what it's like having kids.
Dad, I need to go potty.
Oh, you have to go potty too now? Oh, look, it's contagious. Didn't know going to the bathroom was contagious.
No?
Are you calling me Mom? Oh, that looks pretty good. Here, take a bite of that, buddy.
Okay.
You didn't get any hot dog there, did you?
Guys, dive into the hot.
Gotta dive in. Get a little bit better. How's the bread?
Great.
Take a bite of that hot dog. See how the hot dog is. More bread. You'll get to it. Oh, there's a good bite. Don't choke on it. Chew it good. How is it? It's good? Can I give half of that to Mason? Or a little tiny bit to Mason? No. Wait, okay, what do you want on your hot dog?
Nothing.
Nothing? There you go, hot dog. Take a bite of it. Tell me how you like it. How's your hot dog, Mace? Mason, did you like your hot dog? Yeah. You say thank you? Making a little table there.
Hey. Why did my hand not show?
Okay, go ahead.
We roasted hot dogs, we ate them, and now it's time for our cookies as we go back home.
Time for cookies, all right. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here. This has been interesting. It's been wet. You guys cold? You wet?
No.
Yep, glad we're not staying overnight tonight, because we definitely did not bring stuff for rain, huh? Okay, so let's go put out this fire. The rain should do most of it. We just got to spread it out so that it will stop fueling the reaction. Okay, we're gonna move it all around like that. Okay, now we gotta get some snow, which is gonna be super cold on our hands.
Could you do it?
Oh, go jump in the truck, right? It's okay. Okay, who wants a cookie?
Me! Now can you rip my socket off?
When we get home. It's gonna be like 2 minute drive. That's all.
I get that one.
Yummy. You want two, Mace? What's a big cookie for a small boy?
He's bigger than the cookie.
True. Everybody got sleepy. What'd you do at the church while we were having a fire?
I pee-peed on the snow.
You pee-peed on the snow?
Yeah.
Are we supposed to go pee-pee at the church?
No?
Ooh.
Why'd you do that?
Because I need to go pee-pee. Dad told me to
Oh, hey!